Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about 5 things you can get for your cruiser for Christmas. Everybody always wonders what to buy people for Christmas. And for people you know who go on cruises and you're looking for a gift to give them, I'm going to give you 5 ideas today. These are in no particular order. So just get whichever ones you want, or all 5. I'm sure any cruiser would enjoy having these. I'll put the pictures up and I'll put links below down in the description. The first one on the list is a multi-port electrical outlet. Most cruise ships, especially any who have a little age on them, they have very few electrical outlets in the rooms. And today, with needing to charge phones, tablets, cameras, all those items, plus if they bring a fan or have a CPAP machine or anything like that, they'll need extra outlets. And so these are a good gift to give. And one I like is made by a company called Anker. And it's very slim. You can pack it real easy. And it gives it, you can move it around, so it gives you a good location. Second on the list is luggage tags. Now, anytime you go on a cruise, you have to print off your luggage tags, put them on your luggage so that they know where to bring them up on the ship, what room to go to. These are heavy-duty plastic tags that have a little metal band around them, and you can put them right on the handle, slide your luggage tag that you printed off down in it, and they're real secure, and it makes sure that the luggage gets where it's going. There's 2 different sizes. Different cruises use different size. Some are thin and tall, and some are shorter but wider. So I'll put both of those on here. But either one, if you know, if your person has a particular cruise line that they enjoy, but most people go on multiple lines, so either one or both will do a good job. Next up is magnetic hooks. Now these hooks are very useful in a room. If you've never been on a cruise, the walls in a room are metal on a cruise ship. The whole thing is metal. So these hooks will just stick right to the wall. You can hang hats, your purse, lanyards, anything on there that is necessary for your day-to-day things. You can hang them in the bathroom, hang items from them. Cruise ship rooms notoriously have limited shelving space, places to set stuff. This gets everything up out of the floor, makes it easier to walk around, keeps everything neat right where you need it, and you can relocate them. And these magnetic hook works really good. Next up is a motion sensing light. Now, if your cruiser likes to sleep with a light on, then you may want to opt for one that's not motion sensing. But most people like it dark when they sleep. And on a cruise, when you're out in the middle of the ocean, it is dark at night. And if you have an interior cabin with no window or porthole, or if you have limited windows, even if you have a balcony cabin that has a big sliding door, at night, according to what phase the moon is in, it will be dark. And you're in an unfamiliar location, and you get up in the middle of the night in the dark and try to find your way to the bathroom, you will run into something. These you can plug into an outlet, and when it detects motion, it comes on with a little bit of light. They're LED, they're great. and it'll help you get around in the cabin and not bang up your shins. And next up is lanyards. These lanyards come with a clear plastic. These lanyards come with a clear plastic holder for your card that is everything you need on a ship. You use the card to buy stuff with, to get on and off the ship at a port. That's basically everything you need is that card. You don't have to carry credit cards and all that around with you. Get your ID, it's everything. So you always have it. These lanyards come with a little pouch to put your card in. They have a motif on them that shows cruise ships and whatnot, so they fit in real nicely, and they'll go real good. Now these are just 5 ideas. You can look around, you can pick what you like, but any cruiser will be happy to get these gifts for Christmas. They're not very expensive and won't break the bank. So make a cruiser happy and get them a gift this year. Hope everyone has a great Christmas. Hope to see you out on the road somewhere. Please like and subscribe this channel. And thank you for watching.